And thank you. Witnesses say they saw smoke and heard a popping sound just before a Duke Life Flight chopper crashed, killing 4 people on board. And according to the preliminary report by the National Transportation Safety Board, several witnesses say they saw smoke trailing the helicopter while it was still in flight. The NTSB report shows a helicopter had an onboard audio and video recording system, and NTSB technicians are now examining the device. The chopper pilot, Jeff Burke, 2 flight nurses, and a patient also died in that crash. Funeral services for Burke were earlier today in Smithfield, followed by burial with military honors in Goldsboro.